In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI, the underrated search AI that could change the way you gather information online. If you've never heard of it, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through every step of this process in a way that's simple and easy to follow. Let's dive right in. First, open your internet browser and head over to Google's homepage. Doing this is pretty straightforward. Just type google.com into your address bar and hit enter. Google is our starting point because it's a reliable gateway to discovering practically anything on the web, including Perplexity AI. Now that you're on Google, the next step is to type Perplexity into the search bar. As you do this, Google will start showing you autocomplete suggestions and potential search results. Press Enter to see a full page of search results related to Perplexity AI. If you've never done this before, typing simple keywords like Perplexity helps you locate the official website quickly. On the search results page, you'll need to find and click on the official Perplexity website link. This step is crucial because it ensures you're navigating to the correct site, which is what we'll be using today. It might be helpful here to look for the URL that ends in PayAI to ensure you're visiting the genuine site rather than an unofficial one. Once you've arrived at the Perplexity website, it's time to make a prompt. You can think of this prompt as your search query or the question you want Perplexity AI to help you answer. For today's example, let's use a fascinating prompt like neuroplasticity and trauma recovery. Can the brain unlearn PTSD? This kind of query is perfect for exploring deeper academic insights. After typing in your prompt, shift your focus to the Search Focus button on the website. Locating and clicking this button allows you to customize the focus of your search based on your needs. In this instance, we're going to ensure that our search leans more towards academic results, which will provide us with in-depth, research-based information. Among the options, you'll see on the Search Focus button, click on Academic. By selecting this option, Perplexity AI will prioritize academic resources in its search results. This is ideal for anyone looking for professional or scholarly information. Finally, with everything set, click the Submit button. This action prompts Perplexity AI to search through its databases and bring back the most relevant results tailored to your query. Give it a moment, and soon you'll see a well-curated list of information sources ranging from academic articles to scientific research papers, all providing insights on your topic. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully navigated Perplexity AI to extract valuable and potentially groundbreaking information on your chosen topic. Remember, this AI tool can be your go-to resource for comprehensive research or even casual exploration. Explore, ask questions, and let Perplexity AI assist you in discovering more about the world.